I'm Nhat. I'm a program manager. Very glad when you can come here with us. Today I will show you around and accompany with me is Nghiep, my colleagues.
Hi, I'm Nghiep. I am the business development manager, and today I and Nhật will guide you a tour to our lab 6. So welcome to TMA. This is the reception area where the visitor when come here they need to wear a badge for visitor. So this is where they do the check-in procedure for visitor. So here, let's see.
So this is our Honshi area, or people can call that a TMA overview area. So we founded in 1997 with just 6 engineers. Right nowadays we have more than 4,000 engineers with more than 30 countries around the world.
So this is the number of our engineers in each industry: automotive, telecom, finance, insurance, healthcare, and logistics distribution, application development, and software testing as well. So now we have TMA right now have more than 10 solution center, including modern and hot technology like AI, IoT, hardware, 5G center. So each solution center has more than 1,000 engineers working on that in R&D, in software development, and we create solution and product for the customer, and we deploy it, we apply it to the market. For now, our target is the Asia market for this. This is our lab for the telecom center, and this is located in lab 5, right in this Guangdong Software City. This is the one of the biggest lab in South Asia. We provide end-to-end service. That means that we provide a full cycle of software development, from product planning, solution consulting, to business analysis, UI UX design, development testing, and even with production support.
So this is the network operating center, the host of our IT infrastructure. Here we monitor on the access from on the customer side to via backbone of TMA. Security is our top priority, so here we can monitor and detect issue if it arrives as soon as possible. So this is our TMA directory. Here you can see we have 11 floors. Actually we have 12 floors, but the top one we had a canteen there and a coffee with sky view. And for the remember 11 floor, you can see the name of our customer. That does not mean they stay here, but their project team have the location that sit in this floor. As you can see, there are a lot of famous names like DHL for logistic solution, or Ribbon Corporation, the very famous provider. That a farmer called Notel. I used to work for this project for more than 8 years, and until now I am still have connection with them. This customer, they have provide the service for all the famous vendor in America and North America, like Belcada, AT&T, or you can see NTTX for Japan country, or the Alcatel solution, also the famous telecom vendor again, or Nokia on the 11th floor.
So here you can see TMA solution in Bình Định, province. Actually, it is located in Quy Nhơn city, and we have 15 hectares here. This is the buildings that we constructed here in this area. We have 1, 2, 3 building, and and in this area you can see a number of villas for the professional to stay here to work in long days. This area is next to a mountain, which is a local location. It is called Gần Ráng Tiên Sa, and it is also next to the seaside, a very beautiful seaside here.
So this is the first year of our company. In the first day, TMA established with just 6 software developer. And do you know this picture? You cannot get that this is actually our first office and also Dr. Lee house. I used to be at his house one time when I reached a customer, and he uh, he invited to Dr. Lại house to have a dinner with him. It's a very warm and legendary building.
This is the period from 2001 to 2005, and in this period we reached 500 engineers. And this is our lab number 4. It is located in Phú Nhuận district. We also established the R&D center and the training center at this period of time.
This is the years I joined TMA, and this also the point we finished the building of Lab 6, and we reached 1,000 engineers and achieved the CMI level 3 and the TL9K.
At this period, we reached 1,800 engineers, and we also established a series of solution center like data solution center, IoT center, and there is one very important milestone here. We get the CMMI level 5 certificate. This is the highest level of software development in Vietnam. Only a few companies in Vietnam at that time got this certificate.
This is also one of the crucial periods in the company when we reached 2,500 engineers, and we established the TMA Innovation and opened the TMA Innovation Park in the central of Vietnam. Then we also established other solution center in this period. So recently, we just established the TMA Digital Economy Center, and we participated in AutoSAR. This is the very famous organization that we set up, and we established a new standard for our architecture and design for automotive.
Welcome to our hardware lab. So with TMA Hardware Lab, we provide 3 kinds of service. The first one is hardware integration, which means that we integrate our software with the hardware of other third-party vendors. And the second service is we design the hardware, and then it makes the prototype or POC for the customer to try the product. And if it's successfully, we will send it to the manufacturer for mass production. And the third one is that we also do the hardware testing. So here is some sample of our hardware device. So this is the data logger. Here is the list of devices that we integrate our software to. Like you can see, this is the hit vision smart camera, which means that we integrate our AI software to this kind of hardware. So this is the Wi-Fi Halo. Uh, this is the modern hardware device for a new generation of Wi-Fi. Its name is Wi-Fi Halo, and the distance of 2 point is can be up to 1 kilometer. Here is some product that we have made and deployed in the market. This one is the dual age testing knife. So with this device, we can use it to test the age of fruit uh, by using the sound and vibration sensor. We detect the sound, we analyze the sound, and then we can recognize and we can categorize the quality and the age of a fruit. So this is we apply for durian, and we, as you can see here, we make the board of this device, and this is our logo here in the board. Okay, and the next one is the container monitoring, which means that we use this kind of device and integrate into the frozen container. Its name is a reefer container, which means that it can monitor the temperature and humidity inside the container. And again, container, there are two kinds of container. It's located in the yard or it's running on the road. And with the container that's running on the road, we can also monitor its location using the GPS. And on the signal, it's sent to the center for us to real-time monitor on the container in our system here. And this is the alarm monitoring system where we use AI and IoT device to get the communication, to get on the alarm fire alarm, and we can monitor the fire alarm notification sent from which location. So we see that the alarm has been generated from which location in this map of a city. We have deployed this in a high-end city in Ho Chi Minh City. That is the district number 7. This is another device that we use in bird nest house. So with this device, we can get we use the sensor to get the humidity and temperature inside a bird nest house, so that the human people do not need to go into the house, but they can still get the data in real time, because when human interfere the house, they enter the house, it impacts to the quality of the nest house. Yeah, so that's the reason why they use this kind of device to monitor it remotely, rather than entering the bird nest house. Welcome to our technology showroom. So here we use the face recognition technology to open the door. Here, let me introduce you first the smart industrial park and smart manufacturing area. In this area, there are more than 1,000 solutions that we use AI and IoT technology in managing the industrial or a factory. So here you can see we manage all aspects of an industry part, like electric consuming, remote equipment monitoring, or air quality, water treatment, and even with security and safety. This is using AI. with smart manufacturing. Here is the aspect that we use with smart manufacturing. We have 9 groups of solution: remote monitoring, asset control, defect detection. All of these, popular area of manufacturing solution. And here are some demo that we have deployed in Vietnam with manufacturing industry. So this is the automotive software center. This is the 5G software center. This is an area of MCare platform. We like I used to say in the hardware lab. With this solution, we integrate our software with the hardware of third party vendor. This is a wearable device, so as you can see, we can integrate with Apple, Samsung, Xiaomi, Huawei, and all the OEM manufacturers. This is a sub product for Tech Center. This is the smart building solution, including all the solution that we apply for a building to make it smart and even healthy. So you can see we use also the AI and IoT technology for elevator, for asset control, for locker, for smart camera, for infrastructure management like electricity, water, lighting, air, and we also have application for the employee and resident to use it. This is the T-Logger product. So with this product, we have deployed it, with Lotte Mart in the District 7, and we also have deployed it for Imak Salah in District 2. These are two famous shopping center in Vietnam, and we have planned to make it popular and viral in Vietnam market, this kind of product. And this is the data solution center. And especially this is the AI center, one of the biggest solution center that everyone knows that AI is trending right now. Everyone is talking about AI, and we have a big solution center to R&D and to develop the AI products and solutions. So here in detail, this is the RBA. We also have some interesting products regarding the RBA technology. And now I will let Nhat introduce you in detail about this kind of solutions.
So in TMA, we also provide the RPA service along with the AI. For RPA, we actually started around more than 7 years ago, and at that time, they not much platform in the markets, but we use some of our existing AI solution to solve the complex problem of customer. And nowadays we have shifted from just resolve one by one problem, but we shifted to do this in context of the digital transformation to show a whole picture with end-to-end full flow cycle. So we have applied it not only for customer but also within TMA. We also implemented our solution to reduce cost and streamline our operation, like the CV processor. Because in TMA we have a high demand of recruitment. So this solution can help us to extract info from our resume and auto fill into our recruitment system and do a lot of different stage of the application and recruitment process automatically. Or the ID card and passport here, this solution is applied in various industry, not only insurance, but in finance, in banking, we apply for a lot of customers. Especially for logistics and OCR, we have implemented the OCR in the logistics to help the customer to extract the info from their invoice and input to their logistic application, and also to declare and finish the input on the custom custom in the airport and the and also have to track the shipment for carrier.
So after introducing the RVA area, this is the ending area of this tour, and right after this point, we will lead the customer to back to the meeting room for further discussion with the customer in the meeting room.